One of the most common questions we get is, what does it mean if a posting says confidential? Well, a confidential posting means that the company chooses to remain anonymous. Now, posting is usually listed as confidential for one of a few reasons. First reason could be that someone is about to lose their job and the company is looking to find a replacement without tipping them off. The second reason could be that the company doesn't really want to deal with the sea of applicants following up with a phone call to see if their application was actually received. Now, the third reason could be because we post so many jobs from high-profile companies and individuals that employers honestly just want normal professionals applying to them. They don't really want a fan applying to a job that they're unqualified for. Now, we do get emails from concerned job seekers all the time applying to confidential postings, but listen, you guys, just as a reminder, we manually screen each posting and we run a check on all the employers posting to the site. So while you may not know who they are, we always will. So you can feel safe applying, okay? Don't worry about it. The reality is that a confidential posting can really be one of the better jobs that we have on the site. Thank you for watching. We're always looking for new ways to help you guys. So if you have any questions about the website or your job search, please make sure to reach out to us or leave us a comment below, and you just may see your question answered right here. We'll see you guys on the next one.